What's up guys, Justin here with the realtimeessentials.com, back with another Unity quick tip for you. So in today's video we're going to talk about how to create and save custom window layouts inside of Unity. So let's go ahead and just jump into it. Alright, so this is actually something that's been a little bit frustrating to me just because I switch between layouts a lot for like creating thumbnails and other things like that, but there's a lot of reasons that you would want custom workspaces. So basically what we're talking about is we're talking about the layout of the windows inside of Unity right now. So right now, for example, this is the default window, and what the default window has is your hierarchy over here, your inspector over here, and then other information down below. And you can access the layout that you're using in Unity by going to Window, Layouts. And notice how there's a number of built-in layouts in here that you can toggle between, like this. So, and you could use them for all sorts of different things, depending on what you want. This is just going to take us back to the default layout, but a lot of the time what I want to do is I want to create my own custom layouts that I can go to really quickly. So, for example, a lot of the time what I want to do is I want my inspector and my hierarchy down below like this, just so that I can get in here and maximize my screen space. Again, a lot of the time it's for YouTube thumbnails, but again, you might have other reasons for doing this too. And so let's say that I wanted to save this so that I could get back to it really quickly. Well, you can just go to Window, Layouts, and notice how in addition to these options right here, there's also options for Save Layout. So if I click on Save Layout right here, and let's say I wanted to call this YouTube Thumbnail, and click on Save. Well, now if I go into my Window, Layouts, notice how this is actually saved in my layouts right here. And so I can toggle back and forth between the default and the YouTube thumbnail that I just saved. And so you can save really any layout that you want. So let's say, for example, that we had a layout where we wanted to bring the game tab down below here so that you could actually see what your camera is seeing. So now notice how I've got a viewpoint down here that actually shows me what my game view is going to see, but I could save that as well. So I could just do a Window, Layouts, we could just save this as Game View tab and click on Save. So now I can access that really quickly as well. So you can jump between the different layouts using this saved layout function. Notice how in addition, there's also options in here to load layouts from files. So if you have a layout that's saved somewhere, you can load that. So you can use this to transfer these across different computers. You can also delete any of these that you want. Or let's say that, for example, I wanted my YouTube layout to have something different in it. So let's just say that I wanted this layout to also have like a lighting window in it. So we'll go to Rendering, Lighting. We'll just bring that over here. Well, if I wanted to save over this, I could just do a Window, Layouts, do a Save, and I could just save over that by giving it the same name, and it's going to ask if we want to rewrite it, and the answer is yes. So then, if we jump back to that layout, notice how now it has that lighting tab over here. So that's where I'm going to end this video. If you have any other great tips for Unity, leave them in the comments down below. I'd love to make a video on those as well. So if you like this video, please remember to click that like button down below. If you're new around here, remember to click that subscribe button for new Unity content every week. As always, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this. I really appreciate it, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks, guys.